Hi friends, my name is Sushil and today we will discuss about the project. Basically, what is a project? Okay, whenever any new people come to the IT market, in there we will discuss whenever you will go to the interview. First, they will ask about what is your framework, what is your project, where you had worked. Lot of questions they will ask. So newly joined like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months people joining different companies, they will unable to explain what is a project. So first I am telling, project means a group of modules, what we are doing in that industry, in that area. That is called a project. Today I will discuss what is a project. First, let it be, we will discuss one project namely ABC. Okay. So ABC is a project. Okay. So here, project I already told you, project consists of lot of modules. It is made 1 module, 2 module, 3 modules, lot of scenario practices like that in our project. So in our project, it is consist of, let it be 4 modules. First one is admin. Second module is product and stocks. And third module is tracker. And the fourth module is billing. And the fifth module is advertisement. Okay. So today we will discuss one module. Today we will discuss one project. In here there are 4 modules, 5 modules are there. Okay. First one is admin, second module is product and stock, third one is tracker, fourth one is billing, and fifth one is advertising. So basically, what is a project? Okay. And here we will discuss about this 5 modules. So maybe you will work with some banking domain, some insurance domain. So if you will go with the banking domain, then maybe your personal loan, vehicle loan, home loan, gold loan, like that modules are there. So just I want to tell you, like that we will discuss. Let ABC is a company, one company is there. In here, one admin module is there, one product and stocks module is there, one transfer module is there, one billing module is there, and one advertisement. So what I am telling here, this is a pharma company. This is a pharma company. This is a pharma company. And in this pharma company, what they are actually doing? One admin module is there. This admin module, this admin module consists of all the employee related things. Means employees all biodata, employees salary, employees information, employees background details, all they will store here only in this admin module. And the second one is product. So in this product module, because it is a pharma company and we are working in the pharma company, so what is our product? Let it be generally we are talking about one medicine is there, that is paracetamol, and one is Ravikind, one is multivitamin. So in this pharma company deal with 10 medicine, that is paracetamol, Ravikind, multivitamin, A to Z syrup, and what may be like that 4, 5, 10. So this company belong with these 10 medicine. So what I am telling here, I am telling one by one thing here, that how this company are working, what is this? This is basically one application. So what is the use of this application? How we will describe in front of the HR, that I am telling. Okay. So third one is a tracker. Tracker is a module. In this application, this pharma application, tracker is a module. In this module, they will track the medicine representative. You know that in a medicine company, lot of medicine representative are there. That medicine representative, what they will do? They will basically go to the doctor, they will convert to the doctor, they will tell like that so that their medicine will be purchased in the market more. Okay. So they will think like that only. So this tracker in this module, they will in this module let it be some location service is there. So where that employee is working, where that medicine representative went to the our doctor like that. So they will track that one. And the fourth one is the billing. Means whenever they will sell the product, first they will bill that product to the company. First they will bill that product from the company to the our stocking. So once that medicine someone wants to buy, then they will go to the stockist, they will give the order, then only they will take the medicine. So like that, what happened? This is called as billing. So this module only calculate about the billing. How much paracetamol billing in this month, how much Rabicaine billing in this month, how much multivitamin billing in this, all the calculation, what how much boxes, how much strip, what are the billing, they will decide here only. Okay, and the last one is the advertisement. You know that today's time, if you want to buy a fan, okay, and if someone wants to sell a fan, refrigerator, TV, what may be, they will first try to advertisement. If some celebrity like Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, they tell like that, okay, this is Usha fan, this is a Usha fan, and this efficiency is more, durability more, like that. If they will tell, we think like that, okay, this is a good fan, this is durability more, this is efficiency more, we think like that. So all pharma company, they are like our Mankind one pharma company, you know that one, Amitabh Bachchan, he is advertisement that Mankind company. Like that, advertisement one module is there. So basically, in Play Store, our module is available, and that our application is available, and that application name is Pharma. So whenever you will tell to the HR, you will think like one name. You can tell your own imagination name here. I am just telling you pharma company. In this pharma company, this admin, product stock, tracker, billing, then advertisement, these modules they are in this application. So how our work is going on in our company? That is the question. How we will tell to the HR that how our work is going from serial end to end scenario, how we will tell to the HR. So basically till now what I said that one application, that name is pharma company. Second thing, here 5 modules is there. That 5 modules, these are, I had already told you, these are the 5 modules. And what are this work of this 5 modules? What we are doing in the company, that is our basically our goal to say the HR. Okay. So here, admin. I told you admin. First, whenever someone join to the pharma company, first they will give their biodata there. Their all employee information, their background, their where they had studied, their address, all the things what they had given to the HR, they will store here admin module. Okay. Once that employee entered to the company, what is his work? His work is to sell the product into the market. So if he don't know about the product and stock, how he will sell? If this application is a pharma application, and here our product are paracetamol, Rabicaine, multivitamin, like that product are there, and if he don't know about the product, then what he will sell? If he will think like that, no, here Usha fan is there. So this is a pharma company, product are these are, so must he have to know first what are the product are there, then only he will sell that product to the market. Okay. So these are the product. So here what we are doing in our application, we are testing that how much product are there. Every month new enhancement, new product are there. First we have a paracetamol. Second after 1 month research and development team, they had developed new molecule, that is the paracetamol plus. So here in this product and stock module, first there is paracetamol is there. Second time paracetamol plus 1 new product entered. So this all the things this employee need to know. Okay. So first employee joined in our company. Second, he know about the basic detail of this product. Then third, what is the third thing? Daily sales report. What is the today's they had sell that medicine, where he has worked, in which doctor he has visited, all the information, all the things will track with this device. This is a module. Here they had like in Google Map, that symbol is there now. Google Map, location service area. Here one location service area. We are checking that employee is working or not, employee is moving or not, employee went to not, that doctor information, doctor location is there, employee went to the doctor information or not. We are checking that one. So this module is working on basically what is the need of this pharma application here. This pharma application. In this application, when we are make this application with this module, and we will provide this application to someone, some pharma company, so they will, in this application, they will know the admin. Whenever they will enter to the admin module, they will know the employee information. When they will check the product, they know that what are the products are there, how much products are till now balanced, what are the product they have, all the things. Means how a new product enhancement, what are the things that they know about this one. So here in this product module, all the information are stored in the product module. That tracker, in this tracker, that HR person or that our sales manager or ABM area business manager or ZBM zone business manager, all they will know that their employee working or not. Today what they had worked, that track in this tracker device, they know that actually employee is working or not. So this is the use of this module. Okay, and the fourth module is billing. So our main aim is to sell our product to the market. So if we don't know about the billing, so what is the use of the sell? If we have a 10 packet of paracetamol here, we have a 10 packet of paracetamol, but we are already sold this 10 packet of paracetamol in 2 days. In 2 days. So in the billing module, if we will not enter that 10 packet of paracetamol we had sold in the 2 days, so what will happen? This employee go to the chemist. This employee go to the chemist and simply says, okay, how much paracetamol you required? This chemist said, I require 10 box of paracetamol. Box already 10 box of paracetamol over in these 2 days. Means in the company there is no paracetamol. Already what are the manufacturing they had done already sold out. So we have to know what are the billing, how much billing is there, how much product is still now in the stock. So this module, billing module is there. Okay, and the last one is your advertisement. So in this advertisement module, what we will do? Advertisement means lot of type of advertisement there. You know that banner advertisement. Whenever there is a Diwali, your Holi, big banner are there. There is our Prime Minister stand up like this and he'll say Happy Diwali, Happy Dasera, like that. So we know that one, that okay, Diwali is there, okay, and he getting off about the Diwali. Like that, here if Shahrukh Khan stand up and he will tell that okay, paracetamol and efficiency more than the other product. If he will tell like that, we think like that, okay, this is new product paracetamol and this is very useful for us. Okay, so this advertisement model. What are the different type of advertisement model? Our ad, paper ad, okay, in TV, in venue, and some conference. You know that doctor whenever want to that medicine representative, whenever they want to sell the medicine, they will do the conference. In the conference, the famous doctor, okay, IIM, then like that our Indian Institute of Medical, okay, like that they will bring out that doctor and they will arrange one conference. In that conference, they will ask all the local doctor to come there, and they will discuss what are the new things are developed, what are the new treatments came to the market, a lot of things are there. So that is also a type of advertisement. Okay, in that conference they will try to discuss about their own product, so that lot of doctors will aware about that one, and after that they will prescribe that things, okay, that medicine. So this is also one module. So basically in this module we have in this project, or project means one application. Okay, in this application we are working. So for us it is a project or it is a application. Maybe this is a mobile application or web application. And nowadays every application has a two version. In mobile also we are using that one, and if you go to the web also we are using that one. So this is our project, or this is our application. So if HR told you, okay, what is your project or application? Tell me end-to-end scenario. So you have to tell like this. Okay, sir. My application name is Pharma. What I had worked for 1 year. In this, I had worked for the product module. So we have a 10 team member, and in this 10 team member, two team member, 5 product are there, 5 modules are there. In this every module, two QA people are assigned. Okay, so me and my friend, we are looking to the product module, and in this product module, basically our job is to check every day that how much product is still now there, no new product is enhanced or not. If it is enhanced and older product is erased, older product we are not manufacturing again, then that product is there or already we have deleted that product. All things checking in this module we are. Okay, so basically this is the product, and whenever you will turn to the HR, okay, any employee people, any company people, you will discuss like that. You will first make a clear code diagram, and one by one you will discuss. Okay, thank you. Janata